Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your Paysafecard account. If you are ready to proceed with deleting your Paysafecard account, you can do so by logging into it and navigating to the My Details section. There, click on the button Close Access Area at the bottom of the page. It's as simple as that. If you have any questions related to the account deletion process, Paysafecard's dedicated customer service team is available to assist you. They can provide guidance, address corners, and ensure your account deletion experience is as smooth as possible. To reach out to Paysafecard's customer service, you have several options. First of all, phone. You can directly connect with Paysafecard's customer support team by calling team at 4433 080 Experienced representatives are ready to assist you over the phone, offering personalized guidance tailored to your needs. After that, online chat. Paysafecard also offers an easy to use live chat on their website. It allows you to submit your queries or requests and get a quick answer, either for either from the AI assistant or a customer service representative. It's a convenient option for those who prefer written communication or those who want a quick response at any time of day. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.